Time to eat again. I'm hungry. Today I got a big hunk of sweet Italian sausage. And I figured I'd have 2 or 3 sandwiches, but then I thought, might as well make one big sandwich, huh? Like that cheesesteak I made one time. This is gonna be a giant sausage sandwich. I'm gonna bake it in the oven. On a loaf of bread. This is the biggest cookie sheet that I have. And it fits in my preheated oven that you just heard beep. Put some parchment paper on most of it. See, that's a regular cookie sheet size. Easy, just measure out your sausage as long as you want. Put it in there, 350 for about 25 minutes maybe. I'll be checking it though. I'll cut up an onion. I got some hot peppers, sauce and cheese. That's it. Come here, let me unravel this baby. Sweet Italian. A little extra. Oh yeah. And we're done. That should get 2 hunks of parchment paper. Yeah, might as well get her all covered on the bottom there. I'm trying to keep it straight too. You know, they have a tendency to curl up. Nice and neat. I'm gonna cut some about 1-inch pieces. You know why? You know what these are gonna be, Doug? You gotta wait and see at the end. Don't know. Or maybe halfway through I'll get these little snackies here. You know. I might have enough sausage left for lunch. You're right. Oven's hot. Going in. I'll be back in 25 minutes. I'm gonna check on these little morsels in between. So I got a little bit left for my lunch or snack later. Or another meal tomorrow. I'm gonna wash my hands and cut up that onion. Well, the meat's almost done, but these got done first. What do you think, Doug? Hors d'oeuvre? Nice and cheesy and juicy. That'll go good with your morning air biscuit, huh? A whole bowl of them. Let's check this meat. That's been about 45 minutes. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. Hear the sizzle. Put it down over here. Got my bread here. Got that out with bare hand. See, where do I want to cut this? We'll cut this like here. Carefully. Don't cut yourself now after all this. Homemade! Did you notice? Okay, now we'll get that in there without breaking it. How should I do that? Pair of tongs. Maybe I'll put some cheese down there first. Mozzarella. Can help it melt good. Alright? Make a mess, it's okay. It's okay. It's in there, see? If I was a man, I'd just pick that meat up, wouldn't I? I'm mad! We gonna live! We gonna live! Stop laughing at me back there. Peanut gallery. Portion paper off. Put some new portion paper on. Know why? Just to crisp it up a little bit in the oven. Get my onions. Hot peppers. Eesh. I can help it stand up a little bit, huh? Whoa! Stand up. This is only going in for a few minutes to crisp up the roll and melting up the cheese. Excited. You know I'm excited. Hope I don't get hiccups today. Some sauce. If you want some. Ooh. Hot on the digits. Championship. Smell them hot peppers now. With that sweet Italian sausage. Hors d'oeuvres on the side. Coming over? You're probably out the door already. Okay, I'm gonna bounce that in my oven for another couple minutes. Where you see it. I know it's on the edge, but I want that to stand up. Living on the edge. Going in. Going in. Go. Don't break. It's longer now. Yeah. There we go. Oh, oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Wish you could smell that. Don't you? Maybe you can. Slide this over onto my fancy eating paper. Oh, crunchy roll now, see? Crunchy roll now. Somebody's been eating my hors d'oeuvres while I was over there. Let this cool a couple minutes. I don't want my roll to break. Take a bite. Oh! Hot. Hold on. Maybe I shouldn't have put that roll back in the oven because it's cracking up on me, see? Being crunchy. I'll eat like this. Oh. 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 A bit tight. Like an eating cast. I'm gonna eat this for a while, but I'm not gonna make you watch me eat it all. Cheese and onions and hot peppers. I can cut it in half right now. Where's my knife? A little more manageable. Oh man, hot peppers in there. See, that's better. You seen it? This is fun. Let me start at this end. You want a hunk?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat it all.
Okay.
Yeah, you want a hunk in the middle?
Okay.
How about you? You want a hunk? If you stole half my hors d'oeuvres.
Thank you.
Good supper. Didn't cost much. Oh yeah, that sausage. How much was that sausage? $19 or something?
No, 11.
Oh, that's still a lot, wasn't it? How many pounds was it? I forget.
3.
I still like it. All right, let me eat it a while. I'll check back with you. Them hot peppers are good. So when you make yours, maybe not put the bun in the oven, because mine got cracked up somewhat. These are good though. It's all good. Mozzarella. How's yours going over there?
It's good. Real good. You made a nice sandwich.
Of course. Why'd you eat half our hors d'oeuvres? You're one of them kind, huh?
Yeah.
Woo. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Watch me eat my supper for a little bit. I might finish this all. Only a little bit there, a little bit here, huh? And she had about that much. I want to show you how I did it. What am I saying? Well, that was my idea, and I wanted to show you how I did it. And I love it. And try it. But then why? If you're going to cut it in small pieces, why? If you can handle it, like if the roll didn't crack, it's fun. Alright, I'm not going to throw an hors d'oeuvre at you, but have a nice night. Please subscribe. Yum, 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 yum. Wow.